Okay, we're gonna do some spine mobility with slow motion tucks. Start in an upright position, take your right hand, reach it out to 9 o'clock, and then sweep to 3, just below the surface. So it's an easy reach and a strong sweep. As you sweep, lead with the back of the hand, thumbs up. Feel the rotation in your spine. We want to find that feel-good range, leading the strength from the upper back. Now, other side. Left hand reaches to 3 and sweeps out to 9. So it's easy reach, strong sweep. Keep a softness in the knees and the hips. And move that sweep through a comfortable, feel-good range. All right, well done. Let's move to our slow motion tucks. Feet wide. Let's press the hands towards the pool floor and lift the feet off the bottom, knees up, and then push the feet to the floor. Repeat. Knees up, tuck, feet down, back to standing. Go slow motion. Now as you go, feel the control in the core. Notice where your feet land when they hit the pool bottom. Are they a little bit ahead of the body? See if you can land the feet just under the body or a little bit behind, giving us a little bit more motion through that low back. Always moving through your feel-good range. Let's return to our sweeps. Get back to standing. Right hand reaches to 9 o'clock and sweeps out to 3. Add a little bit more effort this time. You've practiced the move. Now if you want to add a little progression, as you reach over to 9 o'clock, a little bit lower, and then sweep out to 3. Nicely done. Let's change sides. Left hand now reaches out to 3, sweeps to 9. You can play with the height. As you reach, maybe it's a little lower, and then sweep nice and strong. All right, nicely done. Let's return to our slow motion tucks. This time, let's take the feet narrow. Tuck up, feet down. Really use the hands to palm the water, lifting and pulling. Allow your knees to come up towards the chest and then drop down towards the floor. Nice and slow. Feel the stretch through the spine. Keep going. Take the feet wide again. Return to those slow motion tucks, feet wide. Have you found your feel-good range? Now, your choice. Right to the finish. Is it feet narrow, narrow tucks, or feet wide, wide tucks? Perhaps you want to do a combination, alternating wide and narrow. You choose. You're almost there. Keep going. Great job.